Camp is looking a little trashy. But we're back. In black. Well, she's in black. So what are we doing today?
We are gonna put more rafters on the roof, put a tarp on it, and maybe get a front wall on. Maybe?
We'll see where the day takes us. We got like 3 hours, so time's a ticking. So you debark it like you're skinning a snake. You just take it by the hide and you just rip it off, son. Just rip it. Rip it.
You done?
No, not done ripping it yet. Gotta get it all off. And then once this all dries out, make some good tinder, son. Nice little bird's nest, son. You know what I'm saying?
No. I don't think anyone knows what you're saying.
Everybody knows what I'm saying.
Sure.
So we've got all 5 of them. All we gotta do now is debark them and put them up there, and we'll see you when they're all put up there. Enjoy the video montage. Alright, so we get the tarp on, the other rafters, and I only brought 1 tarp today. I have 3 of the exact same kind of tarp, but what we figured out was 1 tarp will fit the entire one side and come over a little bit more on the other side, which is what we want. So then when we put the other one on, it'll cover all this plus a little bit more, and then it'll prevent water from getting up under there if you overlap them a little bit. So that's a good thing, son. But we only brought 1 tarp today. We just vaguely tied it down on the 4 corners because the front wall, we still want it open so that we can put the front walls on and the side walls and the back walls, and then cinch everything down over it. But yeah, that's what she's looking like. She's coming together. She's real sturdy. Next time I'm also going to strengthen this joint right here by putting a brace, just a wooden brace from here to there. Probably going to nail it, but that's just going to secure it so that if there's any pressure on the ridge pole going downward, that joint's less likely to snap if there's a brace going from here to here. So we'll just do that on the ends, and yeah, I think it's coming together. Thanks, Bailey, for coming and helping me.
Always.
Did you get something in your eye?
I got a couple of things in my eyes. That's fine. I got them out.
Casualties of war. Alright, we're going to head out of here. This is all we got done today. But it's kind of cold.
Mm-hmm.
A little. It's not that cold outside, but...
I'm cold. I'm always cold.
No, I'm just messing with you. Alright, we're going to go get a bite to eat.
As usual.
And then Bailey's got to go to work.
As usual.
So we'll see you guys next time. Broke Boys Bushcraft?
Signing off.